Hi, this is Mr. House, and this video tutorial is for the ELD Chromebook Cafe, late in January 2019. This is to help you use the G Suite and the built-in camera in the Chromebook to record video. And so I'm connecting it to this lesson that you're already looking at. And right now I'm going to come down to the Make a Video section, and this is choice 1. So I know this is a little small, hard to see right now, but really you're just following along with what I'm doing to use the camera in the Chromebook. So here we go. Your students would be clicking here and looking for, the camera. There it is. And up comes the camera. And right now it's set to just take a photo, so we'll have to change that. But the other thing you have to do is get your song script up here. And so here is the example I'm going to read from. So I need to make sure that this is set to record video. It is. And now I'm going to press the record button. There we go, and we're live. So I start reading my song script. In this song, It's Too Late by Carole King, the lyrics that state, "Something inside has died, and I can't hide, and I just can't fake it. Oh, no, no." Yeah. Those lyrics always stay with me. The lyrics mean that sometimes something ends and there's no way to change it. I connect with the lyrics because I felt this way during a breakup once. Another song that also evokes the same feeling is It Don't Hurt by Sheryl Crow. However, I don't know if the singer intended to convey the same message or instead was trying to make the hurt of a breakup feel better with a little humor. And that's my song script. So that has been recorded to the Chromebook and can be transferred to the Google Drive. So let's give that a shot here and see if we can do that. So I'm going to close this camera and go over here. And this time we're looking for our files. So here is the files, and this is what saves on board the Chromebook. And so from files, we can take this, and I think this is the one we want, and drag it over to Google Drive. And now it's in Google Drive, and we can use it. So next, let's go back to the instructions, and I'm going to zoom in on this so it's a little easier to see. Let's go to 100%. And okay, so we don't need the keyboard. So it says insert your video here. Okay, we're going to try that. So I'm going to click here and go to insert. And we want not an image, but from Drive. There we go. And we'll go to My Drive. And it should be something really recent showing up here. So let's click on recent, see what we find. Okay. Okay, that's not working. We're back. Okay, what I think I need to do is I created a new tab, and we shouldn't be working in Docs. So I'm going to go to Slides. And we'll just start with a blank slide. And this is taking a little bit of time. So we'll be patient. There we go. So we're going to insert a video. There we go. And slides allow you to insert a video. Google Docs do not. So we're going to go to Google Drive. And I believe this is the one. Yep. And we'll select it. And there we go. So all your students would need to do is just place this video in here and then maybe add some text. I will have to change my Google Doc lesson instructions so that they make sense with this workflow I've showed you. So from here, you could just type, song, script, and there you go. Give it a title. And now they can share this as a link. And so it needs to be, you can comment, go to advanced, and we want to change this from anyone, specific people, to anyone on APS Public Schools. That should be pretty good. And we'll save that. And now I can come up here and copy this link with the Control-C. Done. And then now the student could come back here and insert a link. Let's see what that looks like. Command-V. And there's the Google Doc link. All right. Well, that is working with the onboard camera on the Chromebook and inserting that video into a Google slide to fulfill the video requirement of this lesson. Thanks for learning.